Welcome. If you are looking for the download files on your Xiaomi Black Shark 2, we have to enter for the first the files right here, and in the download sections you can find download files. And just to show you that it really works, I'm gonna right now go to the Google Chrome and type here Selena Gomez and download one of her picture, graphic, and maybe we can go for this one. Click, hold, tap on download image, and right now when we go back to our files, we will find there the Selena Gomez picture. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.